Hi there, hope you're doing good. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to plot the standard deviation uh, and standard deviation with the error bars chart. So we have two different this all these values are scenario one for raw material production, transportation, use, and end of life. This one is for scenario two, and these are scenario three. And we are going to calculate the standard deviation for all three scenarios for raw material. So for that, we need to create a chart in which we will be calculating the average values for all three, and obviously for rest of these rows. Similarly, we are going to calculate the standard deviation for these three values as well. Once we have all these things, we can simply copy paste the chart after one value, one column, so that we don't need to refer the values. The reference will be set up automatically. So I'll let you know how to apply this the same on the other chart as well. This chart is basically belonging to this value which we just calculated for the average and standard deviation for. So I'll select all of these values and I'll go insert and I'll add a column chart. To give it a title, I'll click on this, press equal, and click on this cell so that I can this chart can give this reference. So whenever you are making a change to the title chart, you don't need to click here, and so maybe you can always double click and change the values as well. But it's better if you can change this cell so that the title of the chart can change. Now instead of 1, 2, 3, 4, I need to right click on the chart, go to the select data. Here I don't want 1, 2, 3, 4. I want these fields to rename. So now we have the raw material production, transport, use, and end of life. Okay, do I have an extra? Okay, I think I added an extra average value, which should not be in here. So this should be only till 37. Done. Okay. Now we are plotting, calculating these values. Now I need to for the error bar. You can right click on the plus, click on the plus sign. Click on error bars. Select the error bars. Click on the arrow. Click on more options. Here we don't need the fixed values. We'll be giving it a proper values reference. So to give it, we have already calculated the standard deviation. So delete this text, select the standard deviation column till here. Then this is for positive values, and we will be using the same range for the negative values as well, because if there will be any negative value, those will be in here. Let me delete this row. This is getting confusing. So we will be using only till end of life till raw material. All right. Same for this one. I don't need this. So this is the chart for the total climate change thing. And this is the standard deviation for this. The size of this is 3.66, 4.78. So I'll make this one same, 4.78. So we have the exact same size of these two charts, and we can pose those side by side. Let me add a light gray outline so that we can match those exactly. All right. So this is for one, and there is another chart for the other table, which is this one. For this chart, let me add a outline to it so that we can match like this. And maybe I'll make it a little down. All right, so I'll make this copy, a chart of this copy by clicking on it. Okay, how I can make a copy of it is click on the chart, press Control Shift, and then scroll, select and drag it on the right side. Leave it here, and there is another copy of it. Now I need to move these because I need to see the ranges so that I can select those. So these are the ranges I need to use it for. So let me move it on the right side. Select this chart, press Control, select both. Select this chart, press Control, select the other chart as well. Press Shift and drag on the right side. Now, to change the reference, either you can click Select Data, Series, Edit, and then you can enter the name. Maybe I can give them, I don't know, result table or something. Let's leave it. Delete everything. These are the values for the bars. Click OK. Okay. Then Go to the error bars again. Def Specify the values. Now the new values for the standard deviation are these. Done. So click on this chart, click on this chart. What I'm going to do, I'm going to uh, copy these two tables, the whole tables, which I just created. I have created these from I31, which is side by side to these tables. I'll go into the inventory tab. Here, I'm just going to paste it. And you will see all the values will get referenced automatically because the size and the setup is same. But let me confirm. Okay. I'll copy this table as well. I'll go back to the inventory tab, right on the top, on the left side, click here and paste the values. Just paste. No need for paste values or anything else. So you can see the standard deviation is calculated for these averages. Okay. Ranges for this one is same and this one is same. You can be on safe side and drag those down. But obviously the values will remain same. Now the values are calculated for all three tables. I'm going to sorry, select chart, drag it on the right side, drag it on the right, maybe till here, and we are done. Now I can copy these four charts as well and paste it in here. I just need to change the references for these. So I don't think so because you have changed the names. So let's build those again. So I'll delete these two. I'll keep these two. So this is okay. This is plotting okay. And it on the right side. Let's see what reference it is. It has reference of the other tab. So I can right click on it, select data. And as I'm not in the sanitary pad, I need to click on the other tab, click on series, edit. Then I can delete the name. We don't need the name. Click on this up arrow, select the average values for the solar latrend, click OK, click edit. The new values ranges name are these. Click OK. OK. Right click, sorry, left click, plus sign, error bars, more options, specific values. The specific values of the standard deviation are these. Click OK. Sorry, I need to do it twice. Plus sign, more values, standard deviation. This is OK. Click on this, go back to the solar latrend, select the standard deviation values, click OK, and you are done. Similarly, for this chart, I need to select data. I'll go back, edit range, go back to the solar latrend. Okay, so this time the average values are these. Sorry, this is the name range. We don't need a name. Click on the arrow, go to the solar latrend, select the range, click OK, edit solar latrend. These are the ranges. Done. And then the error bars, plus sign, error bars, more options, specify values, select solar latrend. These are the values for the positive values. Similarly, solar latrend, these are the values for the negative values, if there are any. So the ranges will same because if the positive value and negative value both will jump in here. So I'll click OK. So this is done. We have this chart. Let me add the outline, shape outline. If we don't need this, this is the other chart. So side by side. Either I can manually change the size of the charts, or maybe I can change it from the numbers. This is how you can move all four charts together by clicking and by pressing Control and clicking each chart. All right. Okay, so this is done. Now for the inventory blanket, let me delete these charts. Okay, this is representing this one. This is representing the other one. So how I can build a new bar chart? I'll select the average range, go to insert, column chart, select column. These are the values. Chart title is this. Click on the plus sign. Sorry. Uh, yes. Right click, select data, edit this range, give it the correct name, press OK, OK. Go to the error bar, select the data, error bar, more options, custom specify a value. These are the ranges for the standard deviation, positive values, and the same ranges are for the negative values. This chart is done. Now I'm going to make a copy of this by pressing Control. Okay, I'm just going to change the reference range for the average values, plus sign, standard deviation bars, options, specify a range, and this is the standard deviation values column now. This one. Done. Let me format and order outline, chart outline. So the size of the charts are different in all of these. So let me show you how you can match those. I don't know whatever the size you would like to. So you can go to the format. Maybe you can have it 4 by 4, all same. 4 by 4. And then you can make this one 4 by 4 as well. Okay, let me select all four at once and go to the shape format. Size should be length, height 4 by 4. Then I can select two shapes, go to shape format, align those horizontally. Done. Then I can select this one and this one, shape format, align those vertically. I'll paste this on this side, move it a little left and move it here. Done. So we can keep this maybe here. So that's the look. Oh yes, I need to change the. This one should be different. This one should also be different. Okay, done. So the color variations are there. So this chart has a different. No, I think the chart has same themes. Yes, the chart seems different because we don't have any values for the production transport, the green and yellow and orange parts. I think these are done. Let me quickly check the production charts. So we have all three, all yellow. These are not yellow. So this one is non-movemental weaving. This one is also okay, but not yellow. I don't know why. So I can copy this drop down, paste special validation, okay. And I might select these ranges as well. Select those to be yellow. I don't know. Okay, so this is the yellow color. Um, these are not yellow as well. I don't know why, but let me make those yellow. And for the safe side, I'll copy. I hope that this is the drop down. Yes. So I'll select all of these ranges, select all of these ranges, right click, paste special validation, double click on the validation or click validation and then press OK. This is done. Let's check for this one. Okay, there is another chart. We can delete this. So we have the production, all three charts, yellow, 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 yellow. It's okay. This one is done. Inventory. Um, Seems to be yellow, but you know the drill. If so, what happened? So if any of the drop down are missing, you can always copy paste from the other ones because the other two are done. I don't know. My file is got hang or something. Seems to be fine, but there is no production for this. I don't know if you want to you add that. If yes, we can always copy paste from here to here, and we can paste it here, I guess. Yes. So I just did this on the inventory blanket new tab. I don't know if you need this. Please double check it. And I don't know if we need that in here as well. No. These charts are production. So production is this. Okay. So if it, this is production, depending on these two. Sorry. Okay, I've just added the production table for the blanket. Please do like look at it. And if you find anything wrong, I think we can add the data labels as well. Data labels, data labels. Okay, so just to mention again, I have added this production table on the inventory blanket. I'll save it as another version, maybe 4, and share it with you.